Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to get a free Nitro Quest. This word Nitro Quest were a feature being tested that allow users to complete tasks in exchange for free Nitro rewards. Platforms like YouTube Premium, Xbox Game Pass, and Epic Games sometimes offer free Nitro trials. Additionally, Microsoft Rewards and Bring Rewards occasionally allow users to redeem points for Nitro. If you have friends with extra Nitro gift codes or server boosts, they may be willing to share. Always avoid scam websites, fake Nitro generators, and suspicious DMs offering free Nitro. You have to subscribe to the Nitro option. Then it'll open the Discord website and make sure to log in. Nitro offers a plan that starts at $2.99 per month. Nitro Basic costs $2.99 and Nitro costs $9.99. Next, click on Gift Nitro shown at the top. You can select the Nitro plan by paying a one-time charge of $9.99. Then click on the Select button and select the payment method. Enter the card number, expiration date, CVC, and name of the card. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.